welcome to my Tech Trips YouTube channel. Today I show to you how to activate a developer option in MEMU Emulator and how to change DPI in MEMU Emulator. Please watch full video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Open setting on your MEMU Emulator. Scroll down. Last option. About tablet. Click About tablet option. Scroll down. Last option build number. Click 5 to 10 time in build number. Then activated developer option. My developer option already activated. If any issue comment me. And again request you please subscribe our channel. Next process. Closed settings option. Again open your settings. Scroll down. Click developer option. Scroll down. DPI option available in developer option. DPI option name is smallest width. Now click smallest width option. Change DPI and click OK button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press bell button for more updates. Only 1% people subscribe. Please support me.